Hey, greetings everyone. My name is Tony Holowitz and thank you for being here for this tutorial about Microsoft Outlook. So right now it is August of 2025 and I have decided to redo some of my Microsoft Outlook training videos. And through time, I've sort of understood that there's a little bit of a misconception about Microsoft Outlook and how you can work with it. So what we see on the screen right here is my first email with Microsoft Outlook. But how did we get to this point? On occasion, when I ask people if they use Outlook, they say, I don't use that, I use Gmail. Or they might say, I use Yahoo. But the thing about Microsoft Outlook is this. Microsoft Outlook is just a tool in which you can set up your email to view your tool. And the analogy I tend to make is think of it like cable television. In other words, you might have cable TV coming into your home, but you've made a decision that you can watch that on multiple TVs. Well, in a nutshell, Outlook is just a decision. You can set up your Yahoo email account here. You could set up Gmail. You could set up most popular services, even like an AOL. So when you decide to check your email, you can check it in AOL or Gmail, or you can check it here in Outlook. So it's not an either or proposition. It is something that you have a choice. And what my experience has been, just from years of use, I just like the way Outlook can work to help me manage my email regardless of the platform. In addition, you can also have your email address that might have come from a domain such as youoldog.com or Tony the Teacher or whatever it might be. So if you have an email address like Sally at www, dot whatever web address you've maintained and set up email through, you can use that as well. So you have a lot of options here, and I find that's a huge misconception. It's just a platform or a vehicle to view your emails. If you don't want to use this one today, go right to Gmail or AOL online, any of those. It's, again, not an either or. Things you see here, things you read, delete, move, forward, all of that will be recorded regardless of where you view it, webmail or here in Outlook. So I just want to clarify that because I think it's an important point to understand how that works. Okay, my friends, thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye now.